All right. So we're live now, okay? We are live once again. We are live once again, guys. Live at the Bag Snatcher profile. Hmm? Live on the YouTube. I'm gonna say the price run higher and then lower. Higher and then lower. Because we ran lower, so it needs to run higher. Then higher than lower. Higher than lower, lower than higher. All right, baby. Cool. These markets higher than lower. Higher than lower. I think this should deliver some buys right here. Right at 1 minute C4s. I don't see why not. Log into this. So C4s right here. Oh, this last down close candles. Then we need to clear all these highs up here. I didn't get in. Let's log into this thing. To our paper, look, paper trader. Do this live. See the account again. You can trade this account. It's up 19,000. So close enough. We'll trade it today. We're gonna try and press some buttons and run it up. But I think these last down close candles here should deliver a price one higher to take out these highs, these highs, these highs. I'm looking for a price to get into this level here. When it gets there, then we decide what we want to do. Okay. So I'm expecting it higher than lower. This price ran lower, that's going higher. It's gonna be higher than lower. This is it. Like, price, price. What does price want to do? Do what I say. But look at 30. 30 is crashing out. That I mean Jack for Nasdaq right now. So this is what I was saying. Where's my mouse here? It's pushing. Where's my mouse, guys? I hate when you have multiple screens. It's annoying sometimes. I got like 6 of these bad boys. So out the gate, a few things on my chart. Not too many things. That's what I was looking at. Right, it's down close candle here. I want to see that hold. Deliver higher prices. You know, price trades that which you already did trade into it, right? Ideally. Now the better entry was before 9:30 open, right? The entry, the real entry, look on the 5-minute chart. This right here, this nice little loot zone there was nice entry. So now at this point, for us to continue to go higher, price should respect if it even has the acid to come back here. I need a new mouse or something. Something has to give. See that get respected. Price can trade into there. Still, I still like to see price deliver some more. Right? Doesn't have to, but that would be my expectation. Should we press a button? My mouse at. Try to press a button here. Let's see. Let's see. Hit it with this. Stop running. Run away. Running. Let's do 7 contracts. Huh. Let's make it 14. Put our stop loss. Let's give it. Let's do this. Let's just do this. Let's just do this. Let's do that. Honestly, I don't think it's good reward. I'm expecting it to perhaps go in here. It's gonna go there. It might just want to go up here. See if we get that. See if we want to get that. The better entry again, guys, would have been down here. Down here. But let's see. Ideal down close candles on the 1-minute chart should hold price up. If it doesn't, then different conversation needs to be held. See what we get. I want to sell this thing. So let's look on a regular trading hours, by the way. I want to sell. So regular trading hours, right? Yeah, we could just come up here. Could just do that. So keep in mind regular trading hours liquidity, right? is right at, just call it 20,000, 22,750. So we'll see if we want to make our way to 22,750. Now, if we do that, depending on the momentum, we could keep on going higher to take out the highs on Tuesday. I'm not saying that's what I'm looking for. I'm just gonna watch if price and when price gets there. I don't know. Could be wrong. Maybe price never gets here. But for my expectation right now, price gets when it gets up here, I want to watch how much momentum it has. If momentum starts dying, then we can expect a reversal. Right. Let's look at it from a more holistic view. Where's my mouse, man? This mouse needs to stop. Guys, come on. Come on. We do this every day. Every day. I was moving too fast, guys. Oh, I'm trying to break down some stuff. It's not trying to let me break it down. Slow down, market. Slow down. But don't slow down too much. Go to my targets. Okay. Let me just give you guys the sauce, man. I'm trying to give you guys the sauce and just moving too fast or too slow at the same time. Can you show one chart? Cool. So to me, these lows kind of look still smooth down here. And that's why I'm just like, we want to revisit them from a 50-minute perspective. You can see how they look smooth. So price can first of all run up higher in here, run out these highs, and hit our targets and start dropping. Okay, guys, I have to return to the regular charts because it's moving so dang fast. Targets. Now my mouse is fucking. Eventually, guys, I'll get a better mouse. I mean, maybe I'll use this mouse for. It's like double clicking. I want to you double click. So what I'm doing with this mouse, sometimes it double clicks, and then when I place a tool on the chart, it's not allowing me to like draw it out. Very frustrating. Look at price delivering higher. So as this is going on, though, I'm keeping in mind that 30, 30, 30, that thing 30, 30 is obviously going lower. So keeping that in mind. And why 14 contracts? I should just gone with 15, right? Honestly. So I'm watching these highs. So remember the 750 level here? We're watching that. See if we can get that hit there. All crying. Like, can you take me outside to go take a piss, sir? Also, so yeah, this is so now look, if price, this is my expectation, right? If price aggressively pierces these highs, then starts like wicking back, still respects this 15-minute zone, then we'll consider if we want to see those shorts if price wants to come all the way back down. Again, there's liquidity here. On regular trading hours, it's really right here where this fair value gap blue zone is. Liquidity's right there. Trying to trade now, so I have liquidity up here. I'm just gonna move this higher just in case we explode. But I don't honestly think we will. Who knows? Could be wrong. So what I'm doing, guys, I try to push it higher. Mouse. I'm not gonna play my mouse. You get the gist. It's slowing me down sometimes. Get a dang new mouse. I think the mouse feels okay, just the operations is not. So, what I'm using, I guess. Right? On the 5 minute chart. See a 5 minute view. See if we're dying out of steam. We did just take these highs up here. I still rather see this get hit. So stays the same. No changes from me. Once this 5 minute down close candle, this one here should also deliver price higher. If we were to run into it, I would like to see it deliver higher. If it doesn't, then it's okay. I can still tap. It doesn't have, anyway. Let's just watch price. I think it's really gone. I'm just pointing out where price starts dropping. A lot of people panic. Oh my god, got liquidity. I moved the stop loss too high. But the structure, everything still exists. You want to look at, is the structure changing, right? Run liquidity. The first run liquidity that you have when price running up higher does not mean time to got trade. Sometimes, but in this case, I think so. We haven't gotten any run lower. And keep in mind, why was I intrigued? Why was it so easy to expect buys? And honestly speaking, I could have been in right here. I should have. I really should have. You guys, why didn't you do that? I was really just in bed chilling. Because I know I'm gonna find an entry eventually. Like I'm not really worried or stressed about. I'm at a point where like the markets are gonna deliver. Like I know what to look for every day. So I didn't stress myself about um finding an entry. The emails, reading it real quick. Okay, cool. It's reading an email. But we're gonna expect sorry. So down here could have been the real entry, right? This was like nice 5 minute loose zone, boom, after running out liquidity. And notice we haven't had any run on liquidity. Prices have been trading lower, lower, and lower, making sellers feel so comfortable. So I was like, huh, let's feel real comfortable here. And no runners on liquidity, nothing. They gotta run something. So here was the better entry. I just wasn't even, I looked it on my phone. I was busy making a post on Instagram. Didn't really care to get in. It's like, whatever, I'm gonna find something else, which I obviously didn't even try. Not to try, just tapped in on this 1 minute C4. So, yeah. Easy peasy. Easy peasy, I say. Our dog was barking, making all that noise, all that. Oh my goodness. Okay. So we are. What was I saying? See, our price was delivering too smoothly lower. When that happens and we deliver all the way smoothly into the morning session lower, I'm not gonna try to continue to catch a sell. I'm trying to see if they can disrupt those that are sitting pretty. That's why these highs are easy target. These highs here were easy targets as well. And you add the fact that you have a 15-minute loot zone here. Nice. And also we have a new opening gap here. So I would expect price to hit that level. That's my expectations. They have to at least disrupt some of the buyers. I mean, some of the sellers. So let's see if we get it. We already had some good momentum higher. I think we can still go more. You know, if something shifts the ties, and I think that we're done with the buys, I'd rather be kind of reluctant to sell. I'm kind of reluctant to say I'd rather be a buyer. I mean, I'd rather be a seller because to me, this is a bullish market overall. But it's a bullish market overall, in my opinion. So, but at the same time, I can see sells. Like, I don't like having clean equal lows on a regular trading hour chart. So, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I feel like there's levels we can go to low on the regular trading hour chart. That's how I feel about it. But given the context of today, this was a valid buy right here. And if we're looking for those 50 points, I say we just try to capture every day. We already got it actually. Right from if I was getting really down here, right? 3, 50-point run. Getting close. So we're not there yet, regardless. Even if I got it right at that level. But again, we're still expecting this to go higher. If we're looking just for a quick 50-point run, it'll be here to this target. It's a logical level. You expect the price to go to. Look how smooth here looks too. For a quote unquote topping pattern. Nah. You're gonna run it higher. So every time I look at a topping pattern, I'm looking like, is this something retail see as sellers keep on jumping in here? Sellers keep on like, is this so smooth? If it's that smooth, then I don't want to respect it as a potential high, right? Unless we're honestly far away from it, like somewhere over here, right? Sellers create a smooth high and start dropping. But when it does smooth highs like this, to me, it creates that so it can come back and snatch it. So that's why my eyes are really up here. If I'm being realistic, I really want to see price. The question is, if we go higher, can we overcome this level here and then we go opening gap below? Can we overcome this 15-minute loot zone? If we can. To me, these smooth highs here, they're just too smooth. Price to be wrong for that. Then the question is my take profit too soon, right? Because truth be told, this is a new week opening gap below. Price likes to trade within its ranges. So where's the high of that? It's up here. So price starts using here as support. New week opening gap low. Somewhere in the midpoint could be a nice area to take some partials. And we'll see if we want to get back to the high of this. So let's draw a fib. Until this draw a fib. Yeah, my take profit's right at midpoint. So I like to take profit. Okay, we're tapping into that 5-minute order block right there. Really buy some more there. Too late. I'm ready. Look, I have multiple accounts. That's all I gotta say. So I gotta take care of these ones first, but you could buy some more right there. Let's see. I'm not a financial advisor, by the way. No financial advice. Nice area I said if price comes down to more was here. Eventually, guys, I'll buy better mouse. I promise. I think I cannot do this anymore. All right. So, reading price, guys. Again, some people are like, why is he trading the demo? Why is he? Look, I don't care. I don't got to do this for you. This is just free. I do what I like to do it. Maybe it's called a price. I'm telling you what price is going to do before it does. If you don't see any power in that, I don't tell you. I'm not trying to convince you to do anything. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just reading price, having fun doing that. Is that a crime? Is that a crime? Some people want to rush into live trading so quickly. Especially if you're new, you should not be trying to rush into live trading. I know people that go, I know people, even myself, when I first started, rush into live trading, you lose all your money. Trading's not a easy endeavor. There's nothing wrong with taking your time. So I know I tell you shouldn't trade demos, dumb as hell. So I'll give you proper advice. Just like telling you to, if you want to learn how to drive a car, you go straight on the freaking highway. You guys remember the first time you're on the highway? Talking of a freeway. The nervousness, right? So that's like trading. It's like telling someone, hey man, your first day driving, go ahead. Go on the freeway. You're gonna crash you're gonna crash out. So the smart thing is do a demo. Trade a demo. Keep doing that for months, even a whole year. Until you're comfortable with like actually putting on real risk. And then even with that, it's gonna be more development because when you trade with live capital, then there's emotions that are really engaged in that. But what you should do if you're trading demo, trade it and see if you can be profitable, right? Don't just trade it like, oh, it's a demo. I'm not trading this like it's a demo. I'm just gonna risk what I wouldn't risk if it was my real money, right? You gotta treat it realistically, so that way you can really see how you feel, what you could potentially do if you were given a certain amount of money. So it's important that you constantly use your demo accounts to demonstrate your ability to manage money. Not for the audience, not for people, but really for yourself. I don't do this because of y'all per se. It's like really, I'm just. It just keeps me grounded and keeps me like focused on okay, this is how I manage money if it was given to me. Um, Part of it, I don't really trade it, anyways. Yeah. So look, price is reaching our level. Isn't that beautiful, man? Look, if you're getting any information, like, subscribe, share with a friend. I'm teaching you guys how to trade live, calling out stuff live on the markets before it happens in your face, stop loss place, all that. Demo balling live, live and direct. We demo balling live and direct. Demo ball live and direct. Demo ball live and direct. So we back snatching. We ain't taking nothing off the table yet. Um, it's not time to pay the trader yet. We're about 6 ticks away. It needs to hit 740. Hit that. I'd love to just Boom, aggressively closes above that. That'll be good. We have 10 more minutes to this closes. And keep in mind, we're about to start, already started the new hourly candle. Oh, oh. Okay. Okay. Good. What the? What the? A lot. Make this purple. The purple line you see is like the regular trading hour liquidity pool. Make it purple. So if it runs above this, we can take something off the table. See, now I'm marking those. I want to take something off the table. It starts dancing around. Dance. What you dancing around for? Let's draw this out. When it goes above, or if it goes above, well, if it goes above, then I want it to stay above that. Oh, isn't price doing what I said it's gonna do? Huh. How the hell does he do that? Every day, I said every day, problem no they finish. Hmm? Every day, we're gonna be patient. Now here could act as resistance. This is really what you quote unquote pay the trader, but we'll see if we get up here. And that's more than the 50-point run. That's if that's actually exactly a 50-point run, because 22, 690 to 40, 50, I'm pretty sure it's like that's a 50-point run. Now here can act as resistance and really stop price from doing these two. The reason I'm only holding is on the regular trading hour chart, there's a high right here. So you always got to keep that marked up. Let's see if we can get to that 762. Again, first issue, we really expected this to act as resistance. Right? I expect to see some type of resistance there. So I'm not panicking on that. Subscribe to the channel, man. Subscribe to. Let's get to Can we get to 400 subscribers by end of the week? Share with a friend, man. 400 subscribers, I'll be happy. Get to 400 subscribers. If we get to 400 subscribers, I'm gonna release a trading model. How about that? So we have what, 9 more subscribers? Or this trading model that you guys can trade live with. Or sorry, don't trade. You can trade live markets with, not with your live capital. Not a financial advice. But you can go back test, see if it makes sense. It'll be a structured way to approach the markets. If we get to 400 subscribers at the end of the week. So share with a friend that even ever thought about trading. Like, hey, follow this guy. He's calling the markets live every day. I mean, your mentor's not doing that. I know he's not. I just know he's not. Showing that lifestyle. The fake IG lifestyle. Fake IG lifestyle. I don't respect those things, man. Personally, like I'm more of like I'm truth is trading stuff. Meaning, I appreciate those that actually know or are focused on learning the skill set thoroughly and not just let me flex so I can sell a course. We have too many of those. I don't respect it. I've made a lot of money, and I remember making money, but I didn't really make it directly from trading. It's like it's unfulfilling. Some people I guess don't care, but it's like I don't know. I respect the skill set more. It's like boxing. Like that's why people don't respect Jake Paul as much. You know? Same thing with trading. Like there's a lot of influencers that like just build a following by showing lifestyle, can barely freaking trade. Never trade live in front of you, but you watch them. You're excited about them. Noise. There's noise and signal. Noise is all that flashy stuff. Hey man, let me show you how to make $100,000. Let me show you how. Noise. You know what I'm saying? It's noise. You're never gonna hear the best in any sport. Say, I'm gonna show you how to be the best trader. I'm gonna show you how to be the best basketball player. Like, no, you can learn from me, and then depending on how you implement that skill set, that will determine your level of success. But to give you a promise, I'm gonna show you how to make this step. No, I can show you what I've done, but it doesn't mean you're gonna do the same thing, right? Where's my mouse? Oh my! We're approaching our level. Patience, right? Let's put the trade limit so I don't have to. Six. No, sell 60. Even though here again, it's like if we're gonna go there, we're probably gonna go up here. Like it's just to me common sense. It's logic. Write this thing down. Army, I feel like I shouldn't even have a take profit at this point. We're gonna take away the take profit. We're just gonna peel off. Get to certain levels. Right? How beautiful. Huh? Who's doing that? Nobody. Come on, man. I'm trying to pay the trader. Can you just come on, complete the heist? NQ now watch us play games. But you know it's close to that high right there. Do you think it's not gonna hit it? Price could do anything, by the way. But what are the chances? I wonder what the probability is on when price gets that close after having such movement lower that's not gonna hit those highs. At some point you have to realize you're the target. So if you're selling, you are the liquidity. If you're holding on to that sell, like he's wrong. There's just no way price is gonna keep on going higher. Good luck, Charlie. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Because liquidity grabbers are coming for you. And we'll see. Again, this has to. I need to get disrupted, guys. If it doesn't, and this shit can come all the way back. So, like a Maybach. Knock me out. I'll be crying. Why are you trying to snatch my bags? I didn't do nothing to you. All I did was be patient. That's all I did. I was just patient with the game. But they know. Someone must be watching, like, yo, we can't let this guy win with his one viewer. We can't show this one viewer live. And this guy in H Town knows what he's doing. Just don't got a follower yet. Look what he's trying to say. He's long, man. Long and strong. No Diddy. Or all Diddy. I don't know. Take along with you. No, did you guys? Things hovering around there. Two things I feel like they do. They make retail think I'm gonna add to my position. Resistance level. So supply zone. And then they ram it up there. You know, I really feel like putting the sell limit a little higher, just for the just to do it, just like that. If I don't work right those highs. See, now I moved. They want to push the market. See how they do me? Now I move this side. Let's push the market higher now. Now I move my take profits. All right, we can move the market higher now since he's out the way. No, but really, I'm gonna take something off here. Why not? Let's take off three. Let's take off three. Let's take off four. Took four off the table. See if we get up here, we take another six off the table. Beautiful trading, guys. Beautiful trading this morning. Beautiful trading this morning. Easy, easy. Clockwork. Clockwork, clockwork, clockwork. I tell you that. Clockwork. Every day. I said every day. No, they finish. If you're liking this, man. So, anyways, I think it's good to understand retail logic, how they think. Like I'm happy I went through that phase because I don't know how it would be if I just didn't do that. But at least since I've been through that phase, I've been on the other side, so I know what they're thinking. Like if you're just going to 1 hour chart now, in fact, this is up right here, right? It'll be highlighted as a supply zone. They'll probably draw some type of your mentor probably does this, right? Draw some type of rectangle. Be like, this mouse is cheese. I don't know. That's right. I'll be. This one be my wired mouse. Draw some type of square. It's really acting up. I dropped the mouse on the floor. Some type of square like this, right? Where it's like, here's your supply zone. I'm taking this long to draw a freaking box. So you know, guys, I'm going through with this mouse. Like, I'm just trying to draw a box to demonstrate something. Can I just do that, please? You're a mess. Whatever. Okay, it's not let me draw this, but you guys that ever trade supply and demand. Well, I'm trying to highlight these highs here, what you consider a supply zone, and then you draw a box up there, expecting price to when it gets there to melt. I used to expect that, and I've traded that style, so I know like its effects. If it works, it doesn't work. That shit does not work. It will happen here and there, but like maybe other things you could consider in price. The rest of the year is for printing cash. The rest of this year, I'm going in. I don't give a dang. We're gonna print cash this year. 6 months left, man. So again, took out those highs, guys. So now you see, I was just chilling there, looking at this dangerous territory actually now because I'm looking at S&P. I'm looking at US 30. They're not doing anything. They're not going higher. The question is, Nasdaq wants to slow down here. All we do, have a peace of mind. Oh my gosh, please stop doing that. That's all we do. Just stop loss place. Put the getaway vehicle in place and shut the heck up. Or if you want to, this is a good level. Just peel off your whole position. There's nothing wrong with it, right? But just so on the regular trading hours, we have hit our target. This is done complete. Just because of electronic trading hours, I see this level here. I think it's too smooth. It's too smooth for me. I would like to see us run that. Ideally. Also watching this little low here on the right of the chart. Price can take that low out, run into this nice boot zone, and still run higher. So I would like to see. Mm-hmm. Every day, every day. Look at that push. Can you give us some more? Don't give us a pump fake. Can you show me some love? A real one just wants some love, NASDAQ. Where's the love? Where's the love? Why is it still showing this sell? I'm not trying to sell nothing. Leave me alone. Let me hit his target, man. Wait, wait for it. Sheesh. Just want to see price push a little higher. Is that a crime? Sheesh. Watching the 50-minute candle. See this shaded orange area? Ideal. Look at 50-minute chart. See the 50-minute loop zone to your left. You want to see that 50-minute candle close outside of that. That's 5 minutes to close. So again, we're targeting these highs here. Really crazy. The real entry should have been down here. Like, I mean, look out, guys. If you don't think this, if you're still sitting there trying to trade the basic retail stuff and you don't understand, these markets are controlled by an algorithm. I don't tell you because I mean, look at the levels that are on the charts and how. Look at the 4 hour. Look below. Just for a second. Look how it hits this 4 hour freaking loot zone to the T. Pow. Turns on the dime. Now goes to the high of the 4 hour loot zone. Hits to the T. Boom. And pushes away. Then we have this what loot zone here in reverse, right? And then price trades into that. And it also pushes away. Now I call this level here. This down close count, if it goes in there, it pushes into onto the T, it just pushes away. Guys, every other logic should be out the window after you see this video. Every other logic, just throw it out the window. Try to master these algorithmic principles, I'll call them. Look at that push up there. Nasty. How nasty could price be to do that to somebody? They take me out? Please take me out. Why is it? It's not. Oh, goodness, guys. This is so fun. I used to pray for times like this, to trade like this, no matter time I spent in my room locked with the charts. I'm probably not funny to you guys. I don't care. Bag snatching. Bag snatching. Please, if you're in the Texas, look, this is, hey man, no words said. You guys saw me call this A to Z. And then liquid extraction knows I was looking for sales in London session. I actually didn't hold the sales because I was tired. I told him, Zach, go look at my Instagram post. Zach will price when we did that. Then we turned around right at the level at 22,600. So I really just put a buy. Guys, every day. Bro, it's too easy, man. I used to pray for times like this, to trade like this, no matter time I spent on my charts all night. I have to remix that. We're still working. We're just getting started. We're just this year. I'm telling you guys, this is July 2nd. We are gonna run up a freaking bag. I don't care what anyone else says. We're locked in. No distractions. None of that stuff. The woman to the right, to the left. What Beyonce said. To the left, to the left. Everything she owns in the boxes to the left. Dun 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 dun. We are bag snatching. Heist. Clean getaways. Do you not see it? I know you don't see it yet. Sorry. When you see it, it's gonna be too late. To play. Share with a friend. I'm gonna tell you a little secret. You can do it too. Just put your mind to it. Put your mind to it. Put your mind to it. All right, where should we put our stop loss? You guys tell me. I'm tired. This is to me. This is easy peasy, easy work. Ooh wee. So Diddy was found not guilty of racketeering and sex trafficking. Let's go. Okay, okay, okay. I'm not saying I support this guy. Obviously, he hit women. I don't agree with that. But sex trafficking stuff, man. I don't know. It ain't said nothing in there that sounded like it was sex trafficking anyone. So it ain't hit. I said every day. I'll tell you guys, this shit could just keep going and going. So I took away to take profit. Take profit been right here. So let's take off some. Let's peel off some more here. We're gonna peel off some more. This is a masterpiece, right? This is a master class on trading. You just don't understand what you're witnessing. You don't get it. You're gonna look at it like, damn, he's cold. Don't get it. Just don't get it. What is S&P and 30 doing? Doesn't even matter. Doesn't matter. Okay, it does, but doesn't matter. So we're gonna put a stop loss where it needs to be. Nasdaq. Listen, you have to understand. We have a tech president. So what is gonna be going great? S&P is gonna do its thing, but like the technology sector already is fast moving. That already you have to understand. GDP times technology equals to. Sorry, I don't even know again what it is. Production times technology, whatever it is, people, production, whatever times technology equals GDP. Meaning the T when you're trying to figure out the formula for GDP. It's technology. That's an X factor. So that what you call it accelerates things. It freaking multiplies the ability of a civilization or economy to produce. So we're trading that T, which is the Nasdaq. So it's gonna move faster than everything else. You have the AIs, the robotics, data centers. Why are you trading anything else? What the hell? It's the X factor. Look at your 30, 30, 30. Look at S&P. It ain't doing shit. So I'm just messing. You can trade anything, but look at Nasdaq. Who the heck the look? And I, man, stop playing. I'm trying to even be just hey, you guys see what's happening? Stop playing. Eventually, you're gonna stop playing. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Clockwork. This is clockwork. I'm proud for myself because I'm the MVP. I don't give a damn what you think. Bad snatching. Texas Heist MVP. If you ain't in there, I gotta talk a lot. Let me stop. But let's focus on price. So what's price doing? So now price can reverse right here. We've already done our job. How many points is this? The 80 point. No, sorry, that's my stop loss is. Yeah, 110 points. Caught live on Instagram. Trading live with you guys. I don't know how many points I caught yesterday live as well. So my job is done. At this point, I'm just gonna move my stop loss away. Just because it's like I don't really care. Energy has been used. All right, guys. I'm gonna put it right there. Could it keep going? I can. I don't really care. You guys just saw me murder the markets. Who cares? Heist was done complete. Clean, get no casualties. Zero. Zero. I pressed the only other button I pressed. I'm sure you guys. But in that, I could have really stayed in the trade, but I just decided not to. I was selling this right here. So liquid extractions, I'm selling. Only button I pressed today, right? So I'm selling, and then I just couldn't deal with like I need to go to sleep, man. I was tired. Well, I told him we're gonna hit new day opening gap low. If we use that as a resistance, then we are like to deliver 22,600. We deliver right to the goddamn T, right at the vault. You know why it's a vault? You know what? Because in the vault, what did you go in and get out? So we already took the money on. The idiot. Price already ran to the vault. So we already went in the vault and now we're going out. So it's revolving doors. So now revolved and flipped. Now we're going to the other vaults, which actually is just up here. You see that? So again, the entry would have been if I was literally in my bed like, I can trade whenever. I'm just gonna wait till 9:30 opening price. Like I saw this as an entry. I was like, I don't really care. I was in bed. I was tired, man. I barely got any sleep. I've been moving. You guys see me on the chart. So okay, you know what, guys? I see a 1 minute order block. 1 minute C4 right here. Down here. Down here. So that's your support price. A little higher. Okay, why am I not even in this thing? I'm just getting it because boom. Got it. They want higher, consolidate. I tell you guys the way he left these highs here, it's probably still gonna run that. Drop into what? A down close count on 5 minute chart. Look to the left of the chart. So you guys that could have that support. If it goes in there, what does it do? Boom, 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 boom. Goes higher. I said, okay, this level here, we're expecting some resistance, but if it goes above it, probably gonna go higher to take out the highs you see on 5 minute chart to the left. Go higher, boom, boom. Over here, I told you guys got that support. If we go above it, it drops into it. Boom. Now here would have been our final take profit, right? Let's see what I want to do, guys, because I mean, honestly, it's already done its job. I'll probably just close one out at this point. No, I'm not gonna reverse. Ask yourself, is it time to revert? In fact, let's do this. I bet you got, if I come here on the PM session, I'll find a trade again. So if you look at a regular trading hour chart, what can price do from here? See these highs over here? It could target at 22,840. It's probably going for that. So we're gonna put our take profit actually there. If it goes without taking our stop loss, I won't be surprised if it does. If it's our stop because we put it tight, right? So if prices run higher, I'm expecting up here. All right. But if it starts coming down, guys, these lows still look smooth. Or the execution for a second. There's a lot of liquidity resting below here. If we do start making our way lower, but I'm not expecting that right now. My eyes are on these highs, potentially. Doesn't have to get there. It's already done its job. But I won't be trying to get to these highs. Okay. Job well done today. Bravo. Bravo, bravo, bravo. Mission complete. Heist complete. So 30 minutes of trading. Now let's just see how much is where we got this account to now. Oh, finally passed the 20,000 mark officially. So we'll see. Close to 21,000 now. The next big milestone for me would be let's get it to 150,000. But again, same exact account. I've been trading it for a while now. It's not an account that, I'm not resetting this. In fact, this is more proof than your mentor showing you a MT4 where they just a broker gave them an account that can input information on TradingView. From my knowledge, you cannot do none of that. You actually have to press buttons, and you can see the history. TradingView, you cannot finesse it. That's something wrong. Oh, look at this. Look, oh, this was terrible. So this is red. So much red here. What was this? June 24. I was getting cooked. Whole page of red. Well, you can see. Okay, if we go back to the history of this thing, still trying to scroll. So when did it start? Started May 6th. So May 6th to July 2nd. Oh, about 2 months. So we ran up initially to 102. Actually, all the way to 10. Then I ran up and then lost it. So 106 was the highest, I think, around there. And then, so that was in the week, right? Got 6,000, 6%. And we started just taking some L's here, I think. Equity always stayed. I don't know if it ever went below 100,000. Maybe it did one time. Okay, here. So it started going below. This was the lowest, I want to say. June 20th. And then just kept pushing. Pushing. Got it back to 112,000 by the end of the month. What is this? I don't need this, man. Get out of my way. What's all that? Ask for that. All right. Sorry. I don't know what that was about. But anyways, got to 12,000. End of the month, 12,000. Cool. Oh my gosh, I know what's going on, bro. This is what the heck is this about? So confused. Anyways, so confused. Sorry. So 112,000. Then we start. So now we start this month, June, 112,000. So some L's. So even that big page of L's, you can see we just lost 3,000. So a lot of L's there, but lost 3,000, right? And then we start coming back from it. All the greens, green. Look how much greenery. A little red. So there's real losses here, right? This one was out of proportion loss. I'll tell you guys that. 2,000. That was more losses here. More losses here. So green. Till today. So, anyways, we'll go to get to 150,000. We'll see how long it takes. No rush. I'm starting to now trade a little bit more size. At first, I was sticking to 10 contracts. Now you see me do 15. I really should be doing 20, honestly speaking. Really should be, yeah, I should be trading about 20. Hmm? Is that the case? Really 40 contracts, but we'll see. I'm sticking 20. So it should be doing like 20. I'm trying to do like, I was thinking about doing 2 contracts per thousand. I think I'm doing one per thousand. So since we're up 20,000, I should be trading minimum 20,000, 20 contracts, 20 micros. So, anyways, guys, I will cause one a day. Good day, good trading. If you learned something from this, like, share, subscribe with a friend, and I'll talk to you guys